So for a single kettlebell exercise, you're going to be holding onto the top left or the right hand corner. So if you're using your right arm, you're going to hold onto the top left hand corner. For the left arm, you're going to hold onto the top right hand corner. So for the single kettlebell or dumbbell shoulder press, you're going to get into the front rack position first. So for the kettlebell, your hand's going to be in front of your collarbone. So the kettlebell should be sitting on your bicep, forearm, and your pec, or your front delt. Okay, so from here, you're going to push your hand out to the side, make your forearm vertical, and then press. Finish with your palm facing forwards, bicep close to your ear. Okay, and then come back down to the front rack position. Breathe in, breathe out, give your core tight. Breathe out as you press. Okay, notice that he's squeezing his abs, squeezing his butt, squeezing his quads, keeping his body nice and straight. Okay, these are your single kettlebell presses. For the dumbbell front rack position, your hand's going to be out a little bit, so nice and straight. Have your forearm vertical to the ground again. So from there, you're going to press and have your palm facing forward at the top. Again, bicep close to your ear.